Taxi operator Kevon Leslie, who was convicted of the March 11, 2023 murder of his girlfriend Sade Brown, was sentenced on Friday afternoon. The sentence was handed down in the Manchester Parish Court after being aborted on Thursday due to an overcrowding situation at the facility. TVJ News spoke with the victim's family members after Friday's sentencing, who said they are relieved at the outcome and grateful for the support of family, friends, their community and legal team throughout the tiring 3-year ordeal.
The sentence is 37 years. 3 years have been minused. He's eligible for parole 30 years and 4 months.
I think family member them never really play out this thing good, like them feel say is a good thing kill them happy to see what you do. So I just give thanks to say God and time and the work out on our side, which we never expect no doubt. We expect that as an outcome. We never have no doubt. Just God and time.
Kevon Leslie was found guilty by a 7-member jury on February 3 and was scheduled to be sentenced on February 26, but documents including a social inquiry report and antecedents were not available. His girlfriend, Sade Brown, a nurse, was found stabbed to death at the home she shared with Leslie in Wales, Newport. Leslie reportedly fled the scene immediately after the killing, which happened in the presence of Miss Brown's young children. A post-mortem revealed that she was stabbed more than 20 times.